Good evening, I'm Rini Gupta, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, Google introduced AI-powered search result in India for English and Hindi users. Apple First India made iPhone Pro models coming this year. NPCI launches UPI Circle for secure delegated payments with the trusted users. Ola Electric shares soared 7.5% after opening bell. Retweet shortly. WhatsApp working on a feature to block messages from unknown senders. Test like reaction for status update. Not Microsoft, Google, or ChatGPT maker. OpenAI Eric Schmidt sees this company has a big AI winner. Google Map Offline is now available via OS smartwatches and more. Google's AI Overview launch in India. Google has officially launched its AI-powered search feature, AI Overview for users in India, expanding its availability beyond beta testers. Global rollout besides India, 5 other countries are now receiving access to this AI-driven search enhancement, marking a significant global expansion. AI Overview integrates AI-generated summaries at the top of search results, with the footnotes, glossaries, and citation for additional context, providing quick and informative answer. Google has included a disclaimer noting that these AI-powered results are still experimental, with ongoing improvements to address potential inaccuracies. Apple to manufacturing premium iPhone in India, Apple Inc. will produce the iPhone Pro and Pro Max model in India for the first time this year, marking a significant milestone for both the company and India's manufacturing sector. Foxconn leads production. Key partner Foxconn Technology Group will begin assembling the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max model in Tamil Nadu within weeks of their global launch this fall. Worker training underway. Foxconn has started a training thousands of workers at its factory in southern India to meet production targets close to the global debut. The National Payment Corporation of India (NPCI) has launched a new feature called UPI Circle on its UPI platform to secure delegated payments. This feature allows to primary UPI account holder to delegate payment responsibilities to trust secondary user with the set transaction limit. The Reserve Bank of India introduced the facility during its August MPC meeting, highlights its potential to increase digital payment usage. UPI Circle enables users to manage payment or dependents such as parents handling payments for their children, elderly citizens delegating payments to their children. Share of Ola Electric Mobility surged by up to 7.5% shortly after the market opened on Tuesday, August 20. The stock opened as Rs 153.8 on the NSE, a 5% increase from the last trading price and double the IPO listing price. Minutes into trading, the share climbed at Rs 157.4, marking a 7.5% gain compared to the previous session's close. By 9:34 a.m., the stock dipped into the red, trading 0.83% lower at Rs 145.17 on the NSE. Since its August 9 debut, Ola Electric stock has more than doubled from its IPO price for Rs 76, reaching a high of 157.4 in just 7 trading sessions. The company's market valuation has surged to nearly Rs 64,411.35 crore. WhatsApp has reportedly developing a feature to block messages from unknown accounts, improving device performance and account safely. The feature tracker WA Beta Info found a block unknown account messages. Google on WhatsApp Beta for Android 2.24.7.24. This feature is currently on development and not yet available for users to test. The new setting is located under Privacy Advanced in the setting menu and aims to block high volume messages from unknown senders. Even with the feature enabled, some messages from unknown accounts may still get through. Unlike WhatsApp, Signal restricts messages from unknown accounts by default, offering options to accept, block, or report the sender. Former Google CEO Eric Schmidt believes that Nvidia, not Google, Microsoft, or OpenAI, will emerge as a big winner in the AI era. Schmidt noted that major tech companies plan to invest up to rupees $300 billion in Nvidia-based AI data centers, emphasizing Nvidia's central role in the AI industry. Schmidt suggests that the Nvidia's dominance in providing AI chips like the H100 could make it key stock to watch. Through he clarified that isn't a stock recommendation. Nvidia has seen its revenue increase by over 200% of 3 consecutive quarters and has surpassed other tech giants in valuation. Skimmit highlight that the gap between leading AI models and others is widening, contrasting his previous belief that the gap was narrowing. Google is rolling out offline support for Google Maps on Wear OS smartwatches, including new Pixel Watch 3. After updating Google Map on Wear OS, users will see a banner stating offline map on the phone are auto-downloaded to the watch. A new offline map page has been added under the Setting tab in the Google Map app on Wear OS. When connected to Wi-Fi and charging, the smartwatch will sync offline map for the phone and automatically download a map of user area. When connected to Wi-Fi and charging, the smartwatch will sync offline map for the phone and automatically download a map of the user's area. This is Rini Gupta signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for your all tech updates.